Welcome to Ear on English, where stories meet language learning in the most captivating way. Join us as we explore exciting narratives while sharpening your English listening and speaking skills. Lights, camera, action. Let's dive into the story.
Story number 1. The Wise Old Turtle. Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there was a brainy old turtle named Timothy. Timothy had been around for a long time and had done lots of things. People knew him for being wise and nice. One sunny morning, Timothy heard commotion coming from nearby. He went to see what was happening and found a group of animals by a small pond. "What's happening?" asked Timothy, looking at the animals. "We want to get to the fruit tree on the other side of the pond," said a little rabbit. "But we can't swim, and the water is too deep." Timothy looked at the situation and thought for a moment. "I can help." So, Timothy got into the pond and let the animals walk on his back to cross. They were happy for Timothy's help. But just as the last animal got across, Timothy felt a darting pain in his back. A naughty fox had bitten him. "Why did you do that?" Timothy asked, feeling sad and surprised. The fox didn't seem to care. "I couldn't help it. You were an easy target." Timothy felt sorrowful but kept going. He knew that helping others was still important, even if some were mean. As Timothy went back home, he thought about the day. He knew that even though the fox had been selfish, he had still done something good by helping the other animals. The lesson of the story is that it's important to be kind and helpful to others, even if they don't always appreciate it. So, let's all try to be like Timothy, kind and helpful to everyone we meet. And don't forget, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Story number 2. The Power of Manifestation. In the heart of a busy city lived a young woman named Maya. Maya had a strong wish for success, but no matter how hard she tried, she found herself stuck in a routine of average results. Feeling frustrated and disappointed, Maya hoped for a way to break free from the limits of her situation and change her life. One day, while browsing through a bookstore, Maya found an old book hidden in a dusty corner. The book, titled, "The Art of Making Dreams Come True," promised to reveal the secrets of turning dreams into reality. Interested, Maya bought the book and started reading it with great curiosity. As she read, Maya learned that manifestation was more than just wishful thinking. It was a powerful force that could affect the direction of one's life. She discovered that the key to manifestation lay in aligning thoughts, beliefs, and actions with one's deepest desires. With this new understanding, Maya decided to pursue her dreams with determination. She imagined herself as a successful entrepreneur, managing her own thriving business empire. She pictured financial success, fulfilling relationships, and a sense of purpose that touched every aspect of her life. However, manifestation came with its challenges. Maya faced doubts and setbacks along the way, moments when she wondered if her dreams were achievable. Yet, she refused to give in to negativity, reminding herself of the importance of belief and perseverance. Gradually, Maya began to see signs of her dreams coming true. Opportunities arose unexpectedly, a chance meeting with a potential business partner, a stroke of luck that led to a breakthrough in her career, and unexpected windfalls that improved her financial situation. With each small victory, Maya's faith in the power of manifestation grew stronger. She realized that manifestation was not a one-time thing, but a lifelong journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation. Eventually, Maya's dreams became reality. She found herself leading a successful business, surrounded by supportive friends and colleagues. She radiated confidence and happiness, a testament to the transformative power of manifestation in her life. The moral of Maya's story is clear. Manifestation is not a magical solution, but a powerful tool that, when used with intention and perseverance, can open the door to a life of abundance and fulfillment. It teaches us to believe in ourselves, trust in the universe, and take inspired action towards our dreams. Explanation of vocabularies. Brainy. This means very smart or intelligent. Example: Timothy the turtle was brainy because he knew a lot and could solve problems easily. Commotion. This means a lot of noise and activity, usually because something exciting or unusual is happening. Example: The commotion in the forest made Timothy curious to see what was going on. Sorrowful. This means feeling very sad or full of sorrow. Example: Timothy felt sorrowful when the fox bit him unexpectedly. Darting pain means a quick, sharp, fleeting discomfort in one part of the body. Example: Timothy felt a darting pain when a naughty fox bit him. Thriving means growing and succeeding. Example: Maya's business was thriving, with many satisfied customers and growing profits. Windfall means unexpected good fortune or luck. Example: Maya received a windfall when her business won a big contract. Perseverance means continuing to pursue a goal despite difficulties. Example: Maya's perseverance paid off when her business finally became profitable. Breakthrough means a sudden and significant discovery or achievement. Example: Maya's breakthrough came when she secured her first big client for her business. Pronunciation of vocabularies. Brainy, brainy. Commotion, commotion. Sorrowful, sorrowful. Darting pain, darting pain. Thriving, thriving. Windfall, windfall. Perseverance, perseverance. Breakthrough, breakthrough. Let's listen vocabularies one more time. Brainy, commotion. Sorrowful, darting pain. Thriving, windfall. Perseverance, breakthrough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.